is Gine, and welcome back to another reaction video. We're going to be reacting to The Birds and the Z's, a Dragon Ball Z property by SSJ Carter. Let's go ahead and get this video started.
This is Gine!
Okay. Animated by SSJ Carter. They're fishing. Kakarot, you have a nice voice. I wonder who he got that from. Yeah, I can't sing. I sing horribly.
Come on, Dad.
Man, those are some high pitches. Gohan's like, will you stop? Poor Gohan.
That's how I got your mother, Gohan. I don't care! Boy, who the hell are you yelling at? Huh?
Aw.
Sorry, don't get it twisted, Gohan! I'll throw a goddamn spirit bomb at you. Okay.
Oh, dang.
But you're saying
Calm down, Kakarot.
I want to blast myself in the face.
Oh, it's the little dragon.
Mother, and she let me smash the first night. You smashed Mom? Hit it 3 times and I wiped her. Why would you hit her? You monster! Wait, that's not what I meant. What are you saying? Your dad? I mean, Piccolo never had the talk.
I like how he referred Piccolo as his dad.
Hate birds.
Gohan, you have 2 dads.
Oh, bird hate nest. Well, Gohan, sometimes when a man and a woman like each other, they
We're learning
do stuff.
how the birds and bees, I guess, by Kakarot.
Okay, imagine that boys have power poles and girls have hyperbolic time chambers.
Oh.
When a boy sees a pretty...
I'm trying to imagine this. It's kind of weird.
Sounds like some weird sorcery to me.
Then if the girl likes the boy, she may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber. Then...
Oh my.
Something emerges.
What emerges?
A capsule.
A capsule corp capsule?
Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule?
A beef fajita taco?
Oh my.
Baby, Gohan.
Yeah, it's a taco.
To know shit.
You're still a kid.
Dad,
Yeah?
Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the seas.
Oh.
Yeah. And from this day forward, I vow to put my power pole in as many time chambers as possible.
I feel sorry whoever he marries.
Maybe I'll be just like you. I'll have a bunch of kids.
Oh no, you don't want that many kids. They're all hard to take care of.
And neglect them.
What was that?
Kids are Gohan. Yeah, Gohan should never have kids. Okay, and we learned something very special from Kakarot, how the birds and the bees make a baby. It's very interesting how he put it.
Young boy in control, niggas know I blow your block down. He was with his bros talking bold, but he not.